How to get auto clicker on mobile. So first of all, go ahead to your settings, okay? And from here, I'm gonna scroll a little bit down until you find accessibility, okay? Scroll a little bit down as well until you find accessibility shortcut, okay? So I'm gonna click on it. And from here, I'm gonna scroll a little bit down until you find switch control. So I'm gonna click on it and I'm gonna go back, okay? So I'm gonna go back right here and I'm gonna just go ahead into that, let me search for the switch control. Okay, so I'm gonna click on it. All right, and from here I'm gonna go ahead to the switch and I'm gonna add a new switch. All right, and I'm gonna go ahead to screen and I'm gonna go ahead into full screen and I'm gonna hit tap right here, and now I just created my switch control. Okay, so next I'm gonna go ahead to my recipe. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead into, let me just delete all of this. All right, and I'm gonna create a new recipe and I'm gonna name it maybe auto clicker. All right, so I'm gonna just name it like this. All right, and I'm gonna assign a switch and I'm gonna go ahead to the switches, which is the full screen. All right, and I'm gonna just go ahead into custom gesture. All right, and from here it says type or swipe to create a custom gesture. So I'm gonna just go ahead like this. All right, 3 times. All right, and you're gonna see that this is our like uploading. All right, so I'm gonna just go ahead like this and I'm gonna save it like this. All right, and now I'm gonna just go back right here and I'm gonna launch recipe. And if you didn't go ahead to the launch recipe, that this won't work. Okay, so go ahead to launch recipe and I'm gonna just choose auto clicker. And now what I'm gonna do after I switched and everything, I'm gonna go back to my screen. Let's say for example I'm gonna go ahead to my notes right here and I'm gonna go ahead and to click and create a new note. All right, and I'm gonna click on my right thumb 3 times. Okay, 1 2 3. All right, and I'm gonna go ahead right here, it says switch control, so I'm gonna go ahead to the switch control. It says right here your switch is configured. I'm gonna go ahead right here into hitting OK. All right, and now as you can see, this auto clicker is on. All right, let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.